Is that your car, Mitch?
My car. That's not my car.
Is that one right there?
No.
That's not that old beat up thing you bought?
What'd you say?
That is. That's not the old beat up thing you bought. It is that old beat up thing you bought.
This the first time you seen it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I told you haven't seen it before.
No, we saw it at his house that day.
This looks like the demon car raised from the dead.
Remember we saw it at his car that day?
Say
Yeah.
what? Say that
We saw it at
again.
his
This
house
looks
that
like
day.
the demon car raised from the dead.
Why?
This is like a zombie.
Why
in
do
a
you say
Trams
that?
Am.
Why do you say that?
Because it looks like. You want me to be honest?
Uh-huh.
It looks like shit on wheels.
Well, let's try. We're gonna try to get all of us in there. We're right in the back. You're in the front.
Oh, we're all riding in this to the. What if it breaks down?
It ain't gonna
I
break-
have to walk home.
It ain't gonna break down. Got AAA. Come on, let's go. Let's
Oh,
let's
God.
dare it. You might get on my
I'll
side.
not be seen riding around in this
Yes,
car.
you can. You can.
This is like depressing.
Well, I need to take a picture of this for Facebook.
Let me.
Car's depressing, isn't it?
Let me.